Hello, everyone. Today is Sunday. Sunday is a special family day. Today, Anna and I are going to the market. The weather is beautiful. The sky is blue and the sun is bright. Are you ready, Anna?
Yes, I am ready. I have the shopping list. We need fresh fruit and vegetables.
Do we need coffee?
Zane, you always need coffee. Yes, we can buy coffee.
I take my keys. I take my wallet. And I take the big blue bag. We try not to use plastic bags. We use this blue bag every time. It is strong. We walk to the market. We like to walk. The air is fresh. We see neighbors walking too. Everyone looks happy today. We arrive at the market. Wow, it is busy today.
Look at the people. So many families.
I hear music. Someone is playing a guitar near the entrance.
Zane, wait, stop.
What is it?
Smell the air. What is that smell?
It smells sweet. It smells like warm butter.
It is the bakery stand. Look at the bread.
The bread looks warm and crunchy. We see sweet pastries and salty rolls.
Let's buy one loaf of bread for breakfast.
Good idea. I put the warm bread into the blue bag. It smells delicious. Next, we go to the fruit stand.
Look at these apples. They are bright red.
Are they fresh?
Yes, they are hard and fresh. And look at the yellow bananas.
We buy 4 red apples and a bunch of bananas. Healthy food makes a strong body. Now it is time for coffee. I order 2 black coffees. Okay, I reach for my pocket. Wait,
What is wrong, Zane?
my wallet. It is not in my pocket.
Check your other pocket.
No, it is empty. Oh no, did I drop it?
Zane, don't panic. Breathe.
I checked it at the house. I had it.
Look in the blue bag.
I look inside the bag. I see the bread. I see the apples. Ah, there it is. It was under the bread.
See? You just forgot.
Phew, I feel relieved. I was nervous for a moment.
You need coffee, Zane. Quick, pay the man.
We drink our hot coffee. It tastes bitter and smooth.
The market was fun, but now I am tired.
Yes, shopping is hard work, but now we have good food for the week. We walk home slowly. We enjoy the walk. Sometimes simple days are the best days. No phones, just real life, real food, real conversation. Thank you for joining us at the market. Did you learn new words today? Tell us in the comments, what do you buy at the market? See you in the next video. Goodbye.